Have you ever wondered how you can turn your passion for motorcycles into something more, maybe even a rewarding career? If the idea of working on bikes, understanding their intricate systems, and helping others enjoy the open road excites you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're answering one of the most common questions: how do I start being a motorcycle mechanic? Hello, everyone. My name is Denis Storm, and welcome to the Racext YouTube channel. Here, we're all about motorcycles. Whether it's riding, fixing, or customizing them, we're here to help you fuel your passion and take your skills to the next level. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe because we've got tons of tips, tricks, and tutorials coming your way. Now let's dive right into it. Becoming a motorcycle mechanic isn't just a job, it's a lifestyle. It's about being part of a vibrant community, understanding the machines we love, and making a living doing something you truly enjoy. But the big question is, where do you start? The first step is understanding that you don't need to be an expert right away. Nobody starts out knowing everything. What you need is a solid foundation. Start by familiarizing yourself with the basics of how motorcycles work: the engine, the electrical systems, the brakes, the suspension, and even the smaller details like chain tension and tire maintenance. This foundational knowledge is the key to building your confidence and growing your skills over time. One of the best ways to start is by working on your own bike. If you already own a motorcycle, take some time to learn how to perform basic maintenance tasks like oil changes, brake adjustments, and tire replacements. These small steps will not only save you money, but also give you hands-on experience and help you understand the inner workings of a motorcycle. Next, invest in the right tools. You don't need to buy the most expensive equipment, but having a reliable set of basic tools like wrenches, screwdrivers, pliers, and a torque wrench will make your work much easier and more enjoyable. As you gain more experience, you can start adding more specialized tools to your collection. Another crucial step is to find good resources for learning. The internet is filled with tutorials, forums, and videos that can help you get started, but it's important to be selective. Not all information is reliable or easy to understand. This is where structured learning can make a huge difference. At Racext, we've created the Motorcycle Mechanics course, designed for people just like you, enthusiasts who want to turn their passion into a skill and eventually a profession. This course takes you step by step through everything you need to know, from the basics to more advanced techniques. It's taught by experienced professionals who've been where you are and know exactly what it takes to succeed. If you're serious about becoming a motorcycle mechanic, this is the perfect place to start. And the best part? You can do it all online, at your own pace, from the comfort of your home. Click the link in the description below to check it out, and don't forget to use the code BIKE10 for an exclusive 10% discount. This is your opportunity to invest in yourself and start building a future you'll love. Now let's talk about building experience. Once you've learned the basics and gained some hands-on practice, consider looking for opportunities to work with experienced mechanics. This could be through an internship, an apprenticeship, or even just volunteering at a local workshop. Watching professionals work and getting their advice can teach you things that no book or course ever could. Another great tip is to join motorcycle communities both online and offline. Whether it's a forum, a Facebook group, or a local riders club, connecting with other motorcycle enthusiasts can open doors to new opportunities and help you stay motivated. Plus, these communities are a gold mine for advice and troubleshooting tips. If you're thinking long-term, you might also consider certifications. While not always necessary, certifications can boost your credibility and open up more job opportunities. Depending on where you live, there are organizations and institutions that offer specialized training and certifications for motorcycle mechanics. As you grow in your journey, remember that the learning never stops. Technology is constantly evolving, and new motorcycle models are always being released. Staying updated with the latest trends, tools, and techniques will keep you ahead of the curve and make you a better mechanic. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize something important. Becoming a motorcycle mechanic isn't just about fixing bikes, it's about being part of a community, helping others, and living a life that aligns with your passion. If you've been dreaming about this, there's no better time to start than now. So, what are you waiting for? Take the first step today. Click the link in the description, enroll in the Racext Motorcycle Mechanics course, and start building the skills that will change your life. Use the code BIKE10 to get 10% off and kickstart your journey with the best possible resources. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Racext channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future content. And let me know in the comments, what's your dream bike to work on? I'd love to hear your stories and answer any questions you have. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep riding, keep learning, and remember, your journey starts here.